So what is the glacier? To tell you what the glacier is, I have to tell you first what the snow line is. Above the snow line, the snow and ice cover the land throughout the year. Therefore, the glacier is an ice cap that the previously fallen snow gradually changed into the ice, but won't be melted away during the summertime. As I have told you before, the Iceland is a quite young country. The oldest rock found in Iceland is only about 16 million years old. During this short period of time, I say short because it's quite short compared to other continents or countries. During this short period of time, the ice age and the warm climate took its turn. For example, about 2.2 million years ago, the whole land was covered by the ice sheet. Also, about from 100,000 years to 200,000 years, there were 9 glacial and interglacial stages. Why am I telling you this? Because the glacier is a very important factor uh, when the landscape is forming. Let's say a volcanic eruption happened under the glacier. The magma erupts up, but the ice sheet or the ice cap closes it down underneath the ice. So when the magma wasn't able to get through the depth of the ice cap, a mountain ridge will be formed. If you take a look at the Reykjanes Peninsula, you can easily spot out the mountain ridge there. But if the magma eruption was that much, it was able to melt away all the ice and got the eruption got over the top. In that case, the flat-topped mountain will be formed, and these mountains are called table mountains. The glacier is also a very important factor when you think of the weight and in relation to the sea level. As you all know, that the ice is much heavier than the water, and when the over the last glaciation, the land was much heavier because of the weight of ice. So the sea level was much higher than the sea level of today, because the land sunk down because of the weight of the glacier. But about 10,000 years ago, when the last glaciation finished, what happened is almost like the scientific experiment. If you push down the cork down to the underneath the water and release it, it will spring up with a great speed. The same thing happened with the Iceland about 10,000 years ago, when the glacier from last glaciation finished. The land got much lighter and it sprang up. The sea level lowered quite a bit. Therefore, there are many places in Iceland that you can actually see what was underneath or under the sea during the glaciation days. For example, the South Iceland Bay was covered by water or covered by ocean during the glaciation age.